me, and that's what counts.
Well,
It takes all sorts to make a world. You said yourself this junkyard would be boring if we all looked the same. So I decided to come back. To be different.
We're both coming back!
To be the first swans on the lake. I've been different all my life. I was different as a duckling, and I'll be just as different as a swan. I like being me. I like my HONK! I like being different.
Oh, and you certainly are that! I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to show Drake. He might actually lay an egg. And what that might turn into doesn't bear thinking about.
Wait a minute. I've got a little unfinished business.
Hello, the swan? You're a swan? But you and we, a swan? A swan? A swan? A swan?
I'm just happy to see you all again. Oh, and to introduce you to someone. This is Penny.
Hello!
Hello, Penny!
Welcome home, my dear. I've been thinking of getting very long in the bill, and I believe the time is right for me to relinquish the red band. Wear with pride, my dear, for you are indeed the finest bird on the lake as I know I was in my day. And let me know that from this day forth, the red band shall be known as the signet ring. Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Why did we ever think him a dud?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood.